transformative 5-episode web series crafted to inspire and empower individuals, particularly families, students, and young professionals, by addressing relatable issues and offering practical solutions. Produced by Divyogam International LLP, this series is not just entertainment, it's a mission. Our vision is to utilize the power of storytelling to impact lives positively and to support education for financially underprivileged students. 100% of the profits from this project will be donated to empower and educate financially backward students, making this an ideal initiative for socially responsible sponsors to align their brand with a noble cause. Target audience: students and job seekers facing career and education challenges. Parents seeking guidance for their children's future. Young professionals, aspiring entrepreneurs, and those struggling with financial independence. General audience: individuals interested in inspiring real-life stories. Synopsis series. The web series revolves around the character of Shiva, a middle-class boy, his friends, and the people associated with him. This story depicts Shiva's journey from a college student to a successful entrepreneur, serving as an inspirational tale of success for everyone. It connects with the problems and emotions of families, students, and young individuals, motivating them. The first episode focuses on college students and job seekers, portraying Shiva and his college friends as they grapple with confusion and anxieties about their future. The second episode highlights startups and financial problems as Shiva decides to embark on a startup journey, facing financial and other challenges in the process. The third episode addresses issues and solutions related to education and career guidance for parents and students. Shiva's neighbor and his family are grappling with these issues. The fourth episode includes a glimpse into the education system, highlighting Riya, who suffers from exam and study-related problems. The fifth episode focuses on conflicts, differences, and mental depression within family members and relationships, presenting both problems and solutions. Through Shiva's experiences, the series aims to inspire and resonate with a wide audience, providing relatable narratives and offering potential solutions to common challenges faced by young adults. Why sponsor Jinda Ho Tum? High visibility, reach a vast audience actively looking for motivation and career solutions. Brand credibility, align with a socially responsible initiative that supports education. Long-term impact, become part of an inspirational project that will continue to inspire beyond its initial release. Corporate social responsibility, CSR, opportunity, a chance to contribute to a noble cause and make a difference. Social impact, align your brand with a meaningful cause and demonstrate your commitment to social responsibility. Targeted audience engagement, reach a highly engaged audience of students, parents, and young professionals. Positive brand association, enhance your brand's reputation by supporting a project that promotes education and empowerment. Community building, become part of a community dedicated to positive social change. Measurable impact, we will provide transparent reporting on the impact of your sponsorship, including the number of students supported. Sponsorship package is starting from 30,000. Teaser support sponsor 30,000 रुपए. टाइटल स्पॉन्सर 30 लाख रुपए. कोक स्पॉन्सर 25 लाख रुपए. एपिसोड स्पॉन्सर 20 लाख रुपए. प्रोडक्ट प्लेसमेंट 50 लाख रुपए. Also, we are open to creating tailored packages to meet your specific needs and objectives. Be a proud sponsor of India's first 100% charity-based educational social web series. Exclusive benefits for teaser support sponsors. Business name logo featured in the teaser video of the web series. Brand mention in the teaser promotions across social media. Targeted ad promotion. The teaser ad will run within a 7 kilometers radius of the sponsor's location, reaching local students, parents, and professionals. Recognition in the project as a supporter of educational empowerment. Best for coaching institutes, tuition centers, preschools, small businesses, and local startups aiming for affordable digital promotion. Exclusive benefits for title sponsor. Title sponsor branding in all 5 episodes and promotional materials. Logo prominently displayed in the opening closing credits of every episode. Feature in official posters, banners, and digital advertisements. Dedicated segment in each episode promoting the sponsor's brand. 10 branded social media posts acknowledging sponsorship. Opportunity to include a short promotional message in one episode. Exclusive benefits for co-sponsor. Branding as co-sponsor in all 5 episodes. Logo featured in the closing credits of each episode. Feature on promotional posters, banners, and social media ads. 5 branded social media posts acknowledging sponsorship. Exclusive benefits for episode sponsor. Exclusive sponsorship for one specific episode. Logo featured in the opening closing credits of the sponsored episode. Exclusive benefits for support sponsor. Logo featured in the closing credits of all 5 episodes. Mention in social media posts as a supporter. Mention in social media promotions for the episode. Promotion marketing strategy of web series. To ensure the maximum reach and impact of the web series, we have devised a comprehensive marketing and promotional strategy that will engage a wide audience, including students, professionals, and families. The key focus is to create high visibility for both the web series and the associated sponsors. Our well-structured marketing campaign ensures that Zinda Ho Tum will reach millions of people across India and beyond. The blend of digital, offline, PR, and OTT marketing will provide a powerful platform for sponsors to connect with their target audience while being part of a meaningful and impactful initiative. We invite you to join hands with us in this inspiring initiative. Your support will not only elevate your brand but also contribute towards transforming lives through education. Seize this affordable opportunity to enhance your visibility. Contact us as soon as possible. Divyogam International LLP 80 10 77 88 49